Please get ready for a dictation of part 1 of a writ petition criminal number 154 of 2020, Vinod Dua versus Union of India. 5 seconds. Start. This petition under Article 32 of the Constitution of India prays for following principal reliefs. A. Quash FIR number 0053 dated 6/5/2020, registered at Police Station Kumar Sen, District Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Direct that henceforth FIRs against persons belonging to the media with at least 10 years standing be not registered unless cleared by a committee to be constituted by every state government, the composition of which should comprise of the Chief Justice of the High Court or a judge designated by him, the leader of the opposition and the Home Minister of the state. FIR number 0053 dated 6/5/2020 was registered pursuant to complaint made by respondent number 3 herein to the following effect. On 30th March 2020, Mr. Vinod Dua, in his show, namely The Vinod Dua Show on YouTube, has made unfounded and bizarre allegations. Details of particular moments are provided below. By stating following facts at 5 minutes and 9 seconds of the video, he has stated that Narendra Modi has used deaths and terror attacks to garner votes. At 5 minutes and 45 seconds of the video, he claims that the government does not have enough testing facilities and has made false statements about the availability of the personal protective kits and has stated that there is no sufficient information on those. Further, he also went on to state that ventilators and sanitizer exports were stopped only on 24th March 2020. A true copy of the video link is attached. That the said allegations are false and the claims are bizarre and unfounded. Mr. Vinod Dua has spread false and malicious news by stating that the PM has garnered votes through acts of terrorism. This directly amounts to inciting violence amongst the citizens and will definitely disturb public tranquility. This is an act of instigating violence against the government and the Prime Minister. He also creates panic among the public and disturbs public peace by trying to spread false information such as the government does not have enough testing facilities, which is absolutely false. The government has sufficient facilities to curb the pandemic and have been taking all the measures to control the pandemic. By making such false statements, Mr. Vinod Dua spread fear among the people. This video will only create a situation of unrest among the public, which will result in panic and people not obeying the lockdown to come out and hoard essentials, which is absolutely unnecessary. Mr. Vinod Dua has circulated these rumors with the intent to defeat the lockdown by creating an impression that there is a complete failure of the institution and it will become hard to survive this lockdown if not acted upon immediately. It is unfortunate that during such a pandemic, which is of such a magnitude, instead of helping out the citizens and encouraging them to stay at home, the show and the host, Mr. Vinod Dua, is only interested in raising his show's TRP and making it successful. The rumors were spread with intent to cause, or which is likely to cause, fear or alarm to the public or to any section of the public, whereby any person may be induced to commit an offense against the state or against the public tranquility. Since the matter relates to public health, considering the gravity and seriousness of the matter, this dishonest and fraudulent act of the Mr. Dua, Vinod Dua, should be taken with utmost seriousness. The aforesaid act of Mr. Vinod Dua is an offence punishable under Section 124A, 268, 501 and 505 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Unless strict action is taken, it will result in unrest in public and go against public tranquility. Hence, you are requested to take strict, appropriate legal action against Mr. Vinod Dua and punish him accordingly. The FIR dated 6/5/2020 thus pointedly referred to two segments in the talk show uploaded on 30/3/2020, one at 5 minutes 9 seconds and the other at 5 minutes 45 seconds, and generally dealt with the drift of the assertions made by the petitioner in said talk show to submit that the actions on part of the petitioner amounted to offences punishable under penal provisions referred to in the FIR. The transcript of the relevant episode of the talk show has been placed on record, and the translation of the relevant portion is: at present, I am talking about the ongoing coronavirus and whatever has happened in its context. How was our preparedness when we were alerted, and despite which, why we were in slumber? Stop.